Hello, and good afternoon, my dear students. Now we'll discuss line integral. So any integral which is evaluated along a curve is called line integral. Here curve may be square or rectangle or triangle, whatever it may be. So let f bar is a continuous vector point function defined at each point of a curve. Then the line integral of line f bar along the curve C is defined as integral C f bar dot dr bar. Here r bar is the position vector, xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. If curve C is closed, then the integral can be written as like this. So the circle should be included on the integral. So if f bar is f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar, and r bar is any position vector xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, then integral C f bar dot dr bar is integral C f bar dot dr bar. So f bar is f1 I bar, f2 j bar, f3 k bar, and r bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So we know I bar dot I bar 1, k bar dot k bar 1, j bar dot j bar 1. So which gives f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. So this is the formula to evaluate the line integral. So now we'll discuss some problems related to the line integral. So if f bar is 2xy I bar minus y square j bar, evaluate integral C f bar dot dr bar, where C is the curve, y is equal to 2x square. So in xy plane from 0, 0 to 1, 2. So this is the figure related to the given data. So with x-axis, y-axis, and this is the curve y is equal to x square. Since it has even powers of x only, so it is symmetric about y-axis. So it is passing through origin. So like this. So here is 0, 0, this is 1, 2, x is 1 and y is 2 here. So now we are going to evaluate this integral along this curve C from this point 0, 0 to 1, 2. So now let us find f bar dot dr bar first. So here f bar is 3xy I bar minus y square j bar. So here the equation of the curve is y is equal to x square. Differentiating with respect to x, so dy by dx is equal to x square, derivative is 2x, so which gives dy is equal to 4x dx. So dy by dx is equal to 4x, that means dy is equal to 4x dx. So now r bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, and dr bar is dxi bar dyj bar dzk bar. F bar dot dr bar, first we have to evaluate f bar dot dr bar. This is f bar given vector, and dr bar, this is dr bar, dxi bar dyj bar dzk bar. So therefore f bar dot dr bar is 3xy dx I bar dot I bar 1, j bar dot j bar 1 minus y square dy. So along the curve C, x varies from 0 to 1. Along the curve C, so here we can observe the given curve C. Along the curve C, x varies from 0 to 1, y varies from 0 to 2, but we are substituting y value. So we are replacing y value, means the entire function is converted into in terms of x. So it is enough to find the x limits only. So therefore x varies from 0 to 1. So now let us evaluate integral C f bar dot dr bar. So f bar dot dr bar is 3xy dx minus y square dy. So now let us substitute y value. What is y value here? 2x square. This is 2x square dx minus y square. So y is 2x square. Y square means 4x power 4. dy is, what is dy? 4x dx. This is dy value 4x dx. So therefore integral x equal to 0 to 1. Now simplifying, 6x cube minus 16x power 5 dx. So 6 into x cube integration x power 4 by 4, 16 into x power 5 integration x power 6 by 6. So 6 by 4, limits 1, upper limit 1 minus lower limit 0, 16 by 6 minus upper limit 1, upper limit 1, lower limit 0. So simplifying we get minus 6 by 7. So now it's very important problem. If f bar is equal to x square plus y square I bar minus 2xy j bar, then evaluate integral C f bar dot dr bar, where C is a rectangle in xy plane bounded by y is equal to 0, y equal to b, x equal to 0, x equal to a. So first you have to construct the rectangle in xy plane with boundaries y is equal to 0 to y equal to b, and x equal to 0 to x equal to a. This is the x equal to 0 line, that means y axis. This is x equal to a line, which is parallel to y axis, and this is y equal to 0 means x axis. This is y equal to b means along x axis, parallel to x axis. So here we have 4 points O, A, B, C. So here O is origin 0, 0. This is the point A, 0. This is the point A, B. This is the point 0, B. Now we are going to evaluate the line integral along these four lines. The curve C is the rectangle with the rectangle is divided into four straight lines. So four straight lines are OA, AB, BC and CO. So now we have to evaluate the line integral along these four straight lines. Adjoining all these four straight lines, we get a rectangle in this xy plane. So let us evaluate the line integral. So given curve C is in xy plane, that means z is equal to 0. Why? Because in xy plane we know z is equal to 0. Let r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar zk bar. Dr bar is equal to dxi bar dyj bar dzk bar. From the figure we know, let us now we have discussed, just now we have discussed this. So integral over C f bar dot dr bar. What is C means? Four straight lines. This is OA plus AB plus BC plus CO. Joining all these four straight lines, we get the required curve. So this is equation 1. Equation 1 means, this equation 1 describes the curve C is divided into four straight lines. So f bar dot bar, first we have to find f bar dot dr bar. F bar is the given vector x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy. So first we have to find integration along this straight line OA. So along the OA, line OA, what is OA means? Y equal to 0. Since y is 0, dy is 0 and x is varying from 0 to a. So what is integral OA f bar dot dr bar and x varies from 0 to a. What is f bar dot dr bar? Since y is 0, so f bar dot dr becomes just x square plus y square plus x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dx becomes x square only. Since y is 0, dy 0, which gives x square dx only. What is x square integration? X cube by 3. So substituting upper limit a, we get a cube by 3. Next, so case 2. What is case 2? We are going to evaluate the line integral along AB. What is AB means? This is x equal to a line. Okay, AB means the line x equal to a. X equal to a means differentiating with respect to x y, we get dx by dy 0. That means dx 0. Since constant 0, since x equal to a, dx equal to 0, and y is varying from 0 to b. See, y is varying from 0 to b. Along AB, a is fixed, but y is varying from 0 to b. Since y is varying from 0 to b, integral ab f bar dot dr bar, y is varying from 0 to b, x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy. Since dx 0, so dx 0, first integral becomes 0. So minus 2x 2a y dy minus 2a y dy minus 2a y integration is y square by 2 minus 2a y integration y square by 2. Substitute y equal to b, that is b square by 2. 2 to cancel, a square by minus a square, ab square. Next, case 3. Along the line BC. What is BC line? This is the line BC. BC means here B is fixed, y limits are fixed, and x is varying from 0 to a. X is varying from 0 to a, sorry, a to 0. B is fixed. Here B, y equal to b, here also y equal to b, but here x equal to a, here x equal to 0. So along this direction, x varies from a to 0. So along BC, x varies from a to 0. Along BC, y is fixed, y equal to b, that means dy 0 and x varies from a to 0. Therefore, integral BC f bar dot dr bar, x varies from a to 0, this is f bar dot dr bar, x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy. So what is y here? B, y equal to b and dy 0. Since dy 0, the second in term is 0. So which gives only x square plus b square dx. X square integration x cube by 3, b square integration b square x. So substitute upper limit 0, lower limit a, minus a cube by 3 minus b square a. So this is the integral along this line BC. Next, along the line CO, this is along y-axis, right? Y-axis means x equal to 0, dx 0. Here y varies from b to 0. Y varies from b to 0. Y varies from b to 0 means here y is b, here y is 0, x is fixed, x is 0 here, here also x is 0. So x is fixed, that means x equal to 0. Y varies from b to 0 along this direction CO. Therefore, integral over CO f bar dot dr bar, So y equal to b to 0, x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy. So now put x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means dx equal to 0. The integral 0. Since x 0, this integral also 0. So the total integrand is 0. So the integral is also 0. Now we substitute all these 4 values in equation 1. That means integral over c is integral over OA, AB, BO, BC, CO. So adding all these 4 integrals, we get minus 2a b square. Similarly, another problem. Compute the line integral over c y squared dx minus x squared dy around the triangle whose vertices are 1 comma 0, 1 comma, this is the point 1 comma 0, and 0 comma 1 minus 1 comma 0 in the xy plane. Okay, so here the curve C is the vertices of triangle here. So we have 3 vertices A, B, C. Okay, so let us take the points. A is minus 1 comma 0 and B is 1 comma 0 and C is 0 comma 1. Let the equation, now we have to find the equation of all these straight lines to evaluate the line integral first. Okay, so the curve C is divided into 4 straight lines. This is one straight line AB. So next another straight line BC, next straight line CA. So let the equation of AB, this is the equation of AB. The equation of AB is along x-axis. We know along x-axis y is 0. So the equation of BC, next we have to find the equation of BC. This is the equation of BC. How can you find the equation of BC? Means we know the 2-point equation. So if you know the point B and we know the point C, let us take it as x1 y1 and x2 y2. We know the equation of the straight line y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 and x minus x1. Let us substitute x1 y1 x2 y2 values, and simplifying we get x plus y is equal to 1. This is the straight line corresponds to the points B and C. Similarly, you can find the equation of CA. So equation of CA, we know the C point 0 comma 1 and A point minus 1 comma 0. Let us substitute the same formula here. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 and x minus x1, and substituting, so we get the equation of CA as y minus x is equal to 1. So first you have to find the equations corresponds to these 3 straight lines A, B, BC and CA. Now from the figure, integral over C, f bar dot dr bar is y square dx minus x square dy is integral over AB plus BC plus CA. So these 3 straight lines, you join these 3 straight lines, we get a required curve. Okay, so first we have to evaluate the integral along the line AB. The line AB is, we know y is equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means dy 0. So along AB, x varies from minus 1 to 1. This is minus 1, this is plus 1. X varies from minus 1 to 1. So integral over AB, y square dx minus x square dy. X varies from minus 1 to 0. Since y 0, dy 0, the total integral is 0. Next, along the integral BC, this is BC. What is BC? We know x plus y is equal to 1. So here x varies from 1 to 0 or y varies from 0 to 1. So let us substitute now. Along BC we have x plus y equal line, x plus y equal to 1, this is straight line. Now from this equation we can write y is equal to 1 minus x, or we can write x equal to 1 minus y also. So that is our choice, but I am taking y is equal to 1 minus x. Since y is equal to 1 minus x, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy is equal to minus dx. These are the substitutions here. X varies from 1 to 0. Why you are taking the x limits means we are substituting y value here, so the total integral becomes in terms of x. So we take the x limits here. X varies from 1 to 0. From this figure, x varies from 1 to 0. Therefore integral over BC y square dx minus x square dy, x varies from 1 to 0. Y, what is y here? 1 minus x, 1 minus x whole square dx minus x square dy. What is dy here? Minus dx. So now integrate with respect to x. 1 minus x whole square integration is 1 minus x whole cube by minus 3, limits 1 to 0, plus x cube, x square integration x cube by 3. Substitute upper and lower limits, we get minus 2 by 3. Similarly, along the line CA, this is the line CA, along the line CA, we have y is equal to x plus 1. or y minus x is equal to 1, that means y is equal to 1 plus x, dy is equal to dx. So along CA, x varies from 0 to minus 1, x varies from 0 to minus 1, x varies from 0 to minus 1. So CA y square dx minus x square dy, that is equal to 0 to minus 1, y is 1 plus x, y is 1 plus x, that is 1 plus x whole square. Actually this is 1 plus x whole square dx minus x square dy. 1 plus x whole square integration is 1 plus x whole cube by 3 minus x square integration x cube by 3, limit 0 to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 0, so that is minus 1 by 3. Okay, if x is minus 1, minus plus 1 by 3, minus lower limit minus 1 by 3, so the integral is 0. Now joining all these straight lines we get the required curve. Okay, so integral AB the 0, next minus 2 by 3, next value 0, adding all these three values we get the required integral, that is minus 2 by 3. Next problem, if f bar is xy I bar minus zj bar plus x square k bar and c is the parametric equations, the curve c is in parametric equations, x equal to t square, y is equal to 2t, z is equal to t cube, from t varies from 0 to 1, evaluate integral c f bar dot dr bar. Here the f bar is the given vector and x is t square, y is 2t, z is t cube. Differentiate with respect to t, we get dx dy dz value. Dx is 2t dt, dy is 2 dt, dz is 3t square dt, and t is varies from 0 to 1 is given. So first we have to find f bar dot dr bar. F bar dot dr bar, this is f bar dot dr bar. What is f bar dot dr bar? Dx xy. What is f bar? Means xy I bar y z minus z j bar plus x square k bar dot dx I bar dy j bar dz k bar. So f bar dot dr bar gives xy dx minus z dy plus x square dz. So xy values t square, y value 2t, dx value 2t dt, minus z value t cube, dy value is 2 dt plus x square t power 4, dz value 3t dt. Simplifying we get this one. So therefore integral c f bar dot dr bar, t varies from 0 to 1. So now integrate with respect to t power 4 integration t power 5 by 5 and t cube integration t power 4 by 4 and t power 6 integration t power 7 by 7. Substitute upper and lower, in upper limit 1, lower limit 0. So that is 4 into 1 by 5 minus 2 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 7. So which gives 51 by 70. So this is another problem. Evaluate the line integral over c x square plus xy dx plus x square plus y square dy, where c is the square formed by the lines x equal to plus or minus 1, y equal to plus or minus 1. So first we have to construct the square with these lines. This is x equal to minus 1 line, x equal to plus 1 line, y equal to minus 1 line, y equal to plus 1. So joining all these lines we get the required square. Okay, so to evaluate this line integral along the curve C, the curve C is divided into 4 straight lines. Okay, so first you have to evaluate the integral along the 4 straight lines. So this is the small hint, we can go through this one. Okay, next very important topic is work done. Work done. If f bar represents the force vector acting on a particle moving along the arc AB, then the work done during a small displacement dr is f bar dot dr bar. Hence the total work done by f bar during the displacement from A to B is given by f bar dot dr bar, integral A to B f bar dot dr bar. This is the work done formula. Okay, why? Because so if the particle is moving from A to B by applying some force, okay, so then the total work done by moving the particle from the point A to B is integral A to B f bar dot dr bar. So we have another point here. If the force f bar is conservative, that is f bar is equal to del phi, then the work done is independent of the path and vice versa. In this case, curl f bar is equal to 0. Curl f bar 0 means curl grad phi 0. Where phi is called scalar potential. If f bar is conservative force field, then del f bar is equal to 0. Conservative force means del bar f bar del cross f bar g, that is rotational vector. Rotational means conservative field. So find the work done by a force vector F bar is equal to x square minus y square plus xi bar minus 2x y plus yj bar, which moves a particle in xy plane from 0, 0 to 1, 1 along the path y square is equal to x. So the path is along parabola y square is equal to x. So given force vector, this is force vector x square minus y square plus xi bar minus 2xy plus yj bar. The curve C is the parabola y square is equal to x. Therefore dy is equal to 2x dx. So let r bar is the position vector xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So dr bar is equal to dxi bar dyj bar dzk bar. So find f bar dot dr bar first. This is f bar dot dr bar, I bar dot I bar 1, j bar dot j bar 1. So which gives x square minus y square x dx minus 2xy plus y dy. Therefore work done is integral a to b f bar dot dr bar. A to b means here O to A. The particle is moving from this point O, 0, 0 to 1, 1. So f bar dot dr bar is x square minus y square plus x dx minus 2xy plus y dy. So along this path means, what is this path given? Y square is equal to x. That means x equal to y square, you can substitute. X square is y power 4 minus y square plus x is y square, dx is 2y dy minus 2 into x is y square into y plus y dy. Simplifying we get this one. Okay, y square y power 4 y power 4 if we multiply y square cancel, y square into 2y is 2y power 4 and this is minus 2y cube dy minus y dy. Integrate with respect to y power 5 integration y power 6 by 6 minus 2 into y cube integration y power 4 by 4 y integration y square by 2. Substitute upper limit 1 and lower limit is 0. Simplifying we get minus 2 by 3. Find the work done by the force F bar is 3x square minus 6xz 6yz I bar plus 2y plus 3xz j bar minus plus 1 minus 4x yz square k bar. In moving the particle from the point 0, 0, 0 to point 1, 1, 1 along the curve C is x equal to y equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. So this is the parametric curves. Okay, f bar is the given vector and the parametric equations are x equal to t, y equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. This is dx equal to dt, dy equal to dt, dz is equal to 3t square dt. So since x varies from 0 to 1, y varies from 0 to 1, z varies from 0 to 1, t is also varying from 0 to 1. Okay, so work done is f bar dot dr bar, integral a to b f bar dot dr bar. Find f bar dot dr bar first. This is f bar dot dr bar 3x square minus 6yz dx plus 2y plus 3xz dy plus 1 minus 4xy square 4xyz square dz. Now substitute all the values. We know x equal to t, y equal to t square, z is equal to t cube and dx dy dz. Substitute all the values and simplify it. Okay, we get minus 12t power 11 plus 4t cube plus 6t square. Okay, so therefore work done is integral a to b f bar dot dr bar. So integral t is equal to 0 to 1 minus 12t power 11 plus 4t cube plus 6t square. Now integrate with respect to t. Okay, t power line integration t power 12 by 12 and t cube integration t power 4 by 4 and t square integration t cube by 3. Substitute upper and lower limit, upper limit 1 and lower limit 0. So minus 1 by 12, 1 by 12, this is 1 by 4, 1 by 3. Simplifying we get 2. Next is very important. If f bar is 4xy minus 3x square z square I bar plus 2x square j bar minus 2x cube zk bar, then prove that f bar dot dr bar is work done is independent of curve joining 2 points. So if the force is conservative, that is if f bar is equal to del phi, then the work done is independent of the path. So we have to prove that f bar is equal to del phi. That means curl f bar 0. If curl f bar 0, there is a scalar potential such that f bar is equal to del phi. Okay, so our aim is to find the curl f bar is equal to 0 now. Okay, so the work done is independent of the curve joining 2 points, means it is a irrotational vector. So curl f bar is equal to 0. So curl f bar I bar j bar k bar dou by dou x dou by dou y dou z dou by f bar is I bar, write I bar coefficient here, j bar coefficient, this is k bar coefficient. Find the cross product of two vectors I bar into, delete first row first column dou by dou y of this one, next dou by dou z of 2x square, minus j bar, delete first row third column dou by dou x of minus 2x cube z dou by dou z of 4xy minus 3x square z square, plus k bar into, delete first row third column dou by dou x of 2x square dou by dou y of 4xy minus 3x square z square. So this integral, this derivative is 0, since there is no y term in this y term. So x square x cube z is 0, constant derivative 0. This is also constant 0. Here x cube derivative 3x square 6x square z. So here this term 0, z square derivative 2z, here x square derivative 2x, here 4x y derivative 4x. So total integral is 0. Total simplification is 0. Therefore curl f bar 0. Therefore work done is independent of the path.